we have gone ahead. COVID has been fought successfully with contribution of all our members. AIIGMA has definitely done wonderful. I have no words to appreciate. They have always been shoulder to shoulder with us. And in fact, other than ministry statements, whether it is from PESCO or whether it is from AIIGMA, leave apart, these are all small things, and we have settled it out by discussion. We had been very close all along. But one factor that presently disturbs me sometimes, a lot of cylinders had come to our country. Planning Commission, the Niti Aayog right now, they have stated that there should be some guidelines that how these cylinders should be brought in. And of course, there was no guideline other than to test the cylinder. If it is already full with some pressure, it used to go straight to the hospital. If it is empty, it must go to the filler and they should test it, make it a record, and thereafter it should be filled and sent to the required place. This is one factor that has enhanced the hazard of the industry now. Many of such cylinders and most of our cylinders also are of poor integrity that cannot be treated on face value that this should be in service. I am aware of the testing operations throughout the country and the responsibility that you take as on day to test the cylinders is really pathetic. This needs to be enhanced and this is a challenge on us as well as to all of you. I wish that all of you may cooperate on the matter and either the in-service cylinder which are owned by you or which has been gifted during the COVID period and brought in the system, all such cylinders need to be filtered out. Otherwise, in another couple of years or maybe say another decade, these cylinders will give way and there will be lot many accidents and precious lives will be lost. So my humble submission to all of you and to AIIGMA is to ensure the identification and ownership of cylinders. Next is the testing, of course, that is one of the least priority with all of you that need to be addressed. Next is, even if it is tested, most of these cylinders are not being condemned. So identification of cylinder either by electronic chip or by serial number or through automation, taking the ownership of the cylinder, testing of it, and thereafter condemnation and report. That is necessary. All the fillers are given the authority under the gas cylinder rules to test any cylinder either owned by you or by consumer and declare it unfit, condemn it. Nobody can ask a question. But this needs to be done religiously. My focus, as particularly in western part of the country as well as in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, I urge all my fillers, particularly those who are storing hydrogen or toxic gases, There are few pillars who are storing siren also. Siren are self-burning gases. For fire, they have to take extra burden and extra sensitivity towards the testing and segregating the cylinders. It is better that at the platform, at the filling shed, there should not any cylinder for which you have not been authorized. Because mixing the cylinder is one of the basic reasons of lot many accidents. Finally, I will also say that the handling of cylinder through cradle or chaining the cylinder, these are projectiles. इनको बम मत बनाइए, इनको चेन में बांध के रखिए. That is important. And with this, I wish and the all best to AIIGMA. Let AIIGMA grow. 50 साल के बाद भी 100 साल पूरा करें. और probably PESCO is always as a. In fact, we were not a regulatory authority. Instead, it was a sister concern line. We have joined it together, moved a long way, and I believe that this companionship shall continue for further period, future. Thank you so much.